The other great way to use our Nova Teacher Assistant is through this Ask Nova Anything feature down here in the very bottom left of your toolbar. When we click into our Ask Nova Anything, you will notice that she brings us to an open text box, but we're still working within our AI-powered tool. From here, you can search specific standards, specific skills, or really general questions for instructional support or to see what maybe eSpark can bring back based on themes. So for example, we could type something like unicorn, ELA, and let's see what we get brought back. What's really great is she can find those themes to help really engage your students based on their interests. So we can see if eSpark has an assignment based on unicorns that I could then send to my third graders that would really help them engage with the content and want to complete it. But you can use skills, standards, or really general language here, and Nova will supply results for you as well. So here we have a choice text fantasy where your students could write a text based on unicorn themes. We have a phonics lesson, a decodable choice text, and a couple more phonics lessons that would apply with some kind of unicorn engagement for your students, which is really great. Any questions there on our teacher assistant alignment with Nova through your curriculum or our Ask Nova Anything? Awesome. Feel free to come off mute or just put them in the chat if you do have questions as we continue through our session today. The final way that you can use assignments to send out targeted instruction to your students is through our Browse All Assignments feature right here in the Find Resources section. This will bring you to the eSpark assignment library where you can just look, maybe you're not sure exactly what you want to send to students, but you want to see what content we have available. You can sort by grade level, by subject, and then you can kind of see the different assignments that we have. We could also type in main idea here. That would bring back some of those assignments as well. Something to note is when you are previewing and assigning from Browse All Assignments, you will not have the option to auto differentiate for your students. It will just be a manual selection of the students that you want to receive this assignment. So this is a great way if you know you're going to work through an eSpark assignment in your teacher-led small group and you know exactly what students you want to receive this content. And it just doesn't need that auto differentiate to match their specific levels. But that's something I wanted to point out here. It is not aligned or powered by AI Nova, and so you will have to manually select those if you go through our Browse All Assignments here.